Where are we going?
I don't know.
We are going to the doctor to see the baby. Right?
Right.
So,
Dadaan muna tayo dun sa ano, di ba?
KFC muna tayo and then doon tayo sa Las Piñas. Yung Christ the King Hospital. To see the baby. Ay, to have a, discount. So, hindi discount, wave. No? Thank you, Daddy, for the wave.
Welcome.
We're gonna go to the doctor.
Charlotte is the seahorse saying hello.
Seahorse, Daddy.
Advice is unnecessary. Any vibration, fire, smoke, whatever you feel, okay, big or small, report it all, okay? Okay. Unless you have anything further to add, that concludes my briefing.
No, this is easy.
Okay. Pwede na to.
Hikaping. Okay. Hikap ikaw. Where's the tip? Here's your head. Wawa mo yung hikap. Hi, Daddy. Ito dumi.
Yun ano, sa desktop meron.
Hello everyone. So I'm craving so much because of this baby. I'm so sorry. Sorry, gutom na gutom. Marble bread. Because life is because of this baby. So yun lang. Maraming cravings. Bye! I love you. Mwah! Yay! Punta na kaming MCCH because the baby is kicking and kicking.
Yeah, for 2 months. Charlotte, you're kicking, always kicking.
Yes. 2 a.m. ako nag-start. Nakaka-feel ng pain, irregular. Ayan. Sakit na naman siya, guys.
Relax na yung tiyan ko.
It's sobrang sakit, kaya mo sa proper breathing, no?
Careful kasi baka nararamdaman ko iba nga yung feeling. Baby, this is for you. Wala na, ganun lang guys. Ganun lang. Sige lang, go lang. Basta pag may contraction, at parang ayaw mong magalaw. Pero pag wala naman ng contraction, okay lang.
Hindi mo na kailangan i-monitor yun or i-record.
Hindi na. Ano yun, 3 to 5 minutes yung interval talaga. Tuloy-tuloy. Tapos yung pain, medyo hindi siya slight pain. Medyo masakit na. And then, ayun, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., tuloy-tuloy yung contraction. Minsan, every 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, nagigising talaga si Maki. Kaya, ayun, wala masyadong tulog. Ayun, pero si Daddy, humihilik si Daddy. Kanina. And, enjoy and relax na. So, medyo tumaba tayo sa video na to. Medyo nga tumaba yung face ko. Ay, maganda pa rin naman si Mommy Charlotte. So, we're excited to see you and praying for safe delivery sa atin. Then, I talked to Doc Bev already. So, updated naman siya sa mga happenings. Kasi una, July 30 naman. July 30 around 4 a.m., 5 a.m. Yun, lumabas yung mucus plug ko. And then, nagkaroon ng contraction, pero yung pain, siguro mga 2 to 3 lang yung pain. Out of 10. Tapos, nagtuloy-tuloy contraction. And then, nung morning, tumagal na. So, hindi siya nagtuloy-tuloy yung contraction. Kung mag-contract man ako, interval niya, mga minsan 30 minutes. So, irregular interval. Then, slight lang yung pain. And then, medyo nakaramdam ng siguro mga 4 to 5 yung pain kagabi nung yung sabi mo. Na parang iba na yung itsura ko. Pero sabi ko, kaya pa. Hindi pa siya yung regular na interval. Hanggang sa, yun, inantok ako. Patulog naman. Pero around 2 a.m., naka-feel ako na parang konti lang naman, parang medyo watery. Tapos, ayun, meron pa rin siyang medyo may pagka-brownish discharge kasi nga dahil yung mucus plug ko nung una. Kaya, ayun, possible yun. Kaya ganun yung brown. And then, after that, tuloy-tuloy yung contraction. And then, until now, may contraction siya. Siguro, mga 5 to 6 yung pain. Tapos, ang interval niya, mga 2 to 3 minutes. Tapos, yung pain na tagal. Siguro mga 30 to 40 seconds. Yun yung pain. Kaya, ayun. So, good luck. See you. Bye!
See you, Charlotte! We are 19 minutes away for your birth center.
Yeah. No.